Okay, so we're going to do the intro to Fire and Rain by James Taylor. Hopefully you can see my right hand here and then my left hand. So the beginning, we're going to have a second finger on the 4th fret of the 3rd string. And we're going to pinch that note using our index finger on our right hand, and our thumb will be on the 5th string. And we're going to pinch those together and then slide to the 6th fret. And then we're going to flatten out our first finger, a little hard to see there, flatten out our first finger and hit those 2 notes. I'm using now my middle finger and my index finger. You could also use your 3rd finger and 2nd finger if you felt like doing that. And then you're going to hit the 6th fret again. So if you can, slide that 2nd finger up and leave it pressed down. Come back across, you can hit it. If that's harder for you, you could hit these and then hit it, but if you can let it ring together, that's the sound of the record. So again, the first part, 4th fret with a pinch with the 5th string, 4th fret of the 3rd string, slide to 6, 5th fret on the 1st, 5th fret on the 2nd, 6th fret on the 3rd. Sounds like this. Okay, so once we got that, we're going to do basically the same lick in reverse. We're on the 6th fret. We're going to now put our thumb on the 6th string. We're going to pinch that 6th fret on the 3rd string and that 6th string. And we're going to slide to the 4th fret. So we slid 4 to 6, and now we're going to slide 6 to 4. And we're going to do that same chord shape. So we're going to have 3, 3, and then 4 again. So again, if you can hold those notes down, that makes it simpler. And so that part is, one more time, 6 to 4 slide, 3, 3, 4. So all together. And the next part is really a D chord on the tab. I only put the top note, but you can, it's just a D chord, so if you hit some of the extra strings, that's fine. What I'm hitting there is kind of hitting the first 2 strings together. I'm hammering on 0, on the 1st string, 0 to 2, and I'm doing that inside a chord. Then I'm going to hit the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, so that's all like a D chord. And then the next chord is like an A chord, so I'm actually switching to an A chord. I'm going to pinch with the 5th string and then the kind of the 2nd string, and hammer on to the 2nd fret of the 2nd string from the open. So that sounds like this. One more time, hammer on, 0 to 2, back to 0, 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and then an A chord. So all together. And that's it.